A homecoming, the Eclavier legacy. Good morning, everyone. To our esteemed alumni, our pioneers and our pride, our dedicated current students, my esteemed fellow teachers, and our honored supporting staff, please, truly and deeply, from the bottom of our collective hearts, welcome home. There is a unique and almost sacred joy that washes over me as I look out at this assembly today. This is far more than just a reunion, it is a profound gathering of generations, a bridge spanning decades of dedication and victory. Seeing your faces we watched arrive here as curious, sometimes tentative children carrying nothing but boundless potential, now transformed into the accomplished, confident, and world-ready men and women you are today, is, quite simply, the greatest reward a teacher could ever dream of. Every one of you, gathered here today, is a powerful testament to the transformative power of education and the indomitable spirit nurtured within this institution. We have shared countless, permanent memories within these walls. Memories that bind us together, the silent, shared focus of dawn study sessions in the classroom, the quiet comfort of simple meals in the dining hall, the sometimes chaotic but ultimately strengthening rhythm of hostel life where lifelong, unbreakable friendships were forged in shared adversity and midnight exam anxieties, and the victorious, yet bittersweet, moment of ringing the final bell on your last day. The physical campus may have evolved, perhaps a new technology lab stands where a field once was, or the sports complex has been substantially upgraded, but the heart and soul of this place, the unshakable spirit of learning, ambition, resilience, and community, remains absolutely unchanged. It is a powerful, enduring spirit that we built, brick by hard-won brick, together. On behalf of the all teacher and staff of our EMRS Rajnagar, I extend the warmest, most heartfelt, and most enthusiastic welcome back to the sacred ground where your intellectual foundation was laid, your character was shaped by necessary resilience, and your extraordinary dreams were first given the wings to fly. This is, and always will be, your sanctuary. This is, and always will be, your home. Today, I will take little more time, please be patient. The constitutional mandate and the spirit of Eclavier, a vision for empowerment. For those outside our immediate community, and as a powerful, grounding reminder to our returning stars of the monumental national task we share, we must understand our identity. We are more than just a higher secondary school, we are an Eclavier Model Residential School, Rajnagar. This designation is not merely a bureaucratic name or a catchy acronym, it is a philosophy, a historical connection, a developmental model, and an uncompromising promise anchored in the Constitution of India. It carries profound meaning, rooted in the ancient Indian epic tale of dedication, focus, and mastery. The very name, Eclavier, symbolizes a student's unyielding commitment to self-directed learning, the pursuit of knowledge with singular, unwavering devotion, and the mastery of skill, even when faced with perceived limitations or the absence of traditional, easily accessible resources. Eclavier represents the power of internal drive and singular focus. The EMRS scheme was established under a clear national priority, a vision of socio-economic justice, to bridge the educational gap and provide world-class, government-sponsored, high-quality, and completely free residential education to our tribal students, ST. This initiative, championed by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, GOI, is an essential instrument of national upliftment, explicitly designed to place students from scheduled tribes on an equal footing with the rest of the country in every competitive sphere, be it academic, professional, or entrepreneurial. The residential nature of this model is crucial. It overcomes the pervasive challenges of geographic isolation, inconsistent schooling access, and socioeconomic disadvantage by providing a comprehensive, 24/7 ecosystem of learning, nutrition, healthcare, and mentorship. This scheme ensures that every student who undergoes from an EMRS is equipped not only with a strong academic transcript, the necessary intellectual hardware, but also with the character, ethical compass, and adaptability, the necessary social software, required to excel in the rigorous global landscape. It is about providing assured, uninterrupted access to the best physical facilities, the most innovative and culturally sensitive teaching methodologies, and the most robust competitive opportunities available in the nation, from preparation for national competitive exams, NEET, civil services, to specialized skill development programs tailored for the 21st century economy. Our mandate here transcends mere rote learning and the singular pursuit of high percentages. It is a deep, fundamental commitment to holistic development across three interconnected and equally vital pillars, ensuring the production of a fully rounded, responsible, and effective citizen. 1. Academic rigor and critical thinking, the power of knowledge and innovation. Our classrooms are not just places where syllabi are passively covered, they are vibrant, challenging arenas where curiosity is actively ignited, intellectual debate is welcomed, and critical thinking is a daily exercise. We consciously move beyond textbook recall. We train you not just what facts to remember, but how to analyze complex data sets, how to dissect a multifaceted problem into manageable components, how to challenge underlying assumptions, and, most importantly, how to innovate creative, sustainable solutions that directly benefit your communities. This rigorous intellectual training equips you not just for a first job, but for a career of lifelong learning and ethical leadership in any field, ensuring you can compete with the best in the world. 2. Physical and artistic excellence, the balance of mind, body, and spirit. The intense sports training we prioritize is not solely for securing medals and trophies in regional and national tournaments. It is a powerful, integrated tool for instilling teamwork, fostering unyielding discipline, promoting essential physical health, and building the psychological resilience and emotional intelligence necessary to handle both irresistible victory and necessary, temporary defeat gracefully. Likewise, the extensive exposure to the arts, to regional music forms, painting, dramatic arts, and the preservation of traditional crafts, ensures that you develop the creative intelligence, emotional depth, and cultural connection essential for a well-balanced and deeply fulfilling life. From last few years, state and national level sports meet are organizing to bring out excellence. 2 years back, Khatendra Jamatia won gold medal in an athletic event. This year in the last month our school team participated National Level Sports Meet 2025 in Rourkela, Odisha, and presently our cultural team is in Guntur, AP for National Level Cultural and Kala Utsav 2025. We informed our school team won the first position in the category of tribal folk dance, Hojagiri. In the same event last year also our beloved students got first position in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Later on same team exhibited their talent in Bhopal, MP in the NCERT organized Kala Utsav 2024. We aim to cultivate a deep sense of aesthetic appreciation alongside our cultural and scientific inquiry. 3. Cultural anchoring in community service, the root of identity and purpose. Crucially, EMRS institutions are designed to empower students with modern skills while ensuring they remain profoundly and proudly rooted in their unique cultural heritage, ancestral knowledge systems, and community values. We seek to cultivate individuals who are unequivocally modern in their professional outlook and advanced skills, yet inherently strong because they are anchored in a powerful, positive, and enduring sense of identity. We believe that true and sustainable progress lies in moving forward into the future with the immense strength of our collective history, vibrant traditions, and deep community ties guiding every step. This institution was built not just with construction materials, but with the fervent hope that it would be a crucible for excellence, a place where raw talent is discovered, skills are honed through discipline, and future leaders are shaped with an immutable sense of social responsibility and gratitude. This linkage to your community is your greatest source of strength. Your journey, our collective monument, the Eklavya. When you first walked through these campus, you were not just students, you were the first generation of inheritors of this ambitious national legacy. You were the pioneers who helped us establish the culture, the standards of excellence, the deep bonds of companionship, and the very soul of the school. We remember the quiet courage it took for many of you to adjust to residential life, far from the comfort of home and family, in dedicated pursuit of this grand educational goal. We also deeply recognize the significant personal challenge of the transition, the academic pressure and the culture shock many of you faced moving from the structured, supportive EMRS environment into the vast, complex, and often anonymous world of large urban universities or fiercely competitive job markets. Yet, you adapted with grace, you persevered with determination, and you excelled beyond our highest expectations. Your success today is our collective, magnificent monument, a tower built on your dedication. Look around you at the brilliant faces in this gathering. We see your serving is dedicated towards your profession, bringing modern and ethical care to remote, underserved areas, as innovative engineers designing and building the nation's crucial technological and physical infrastructure, as passionate artists and cultural entrepreneurs reviving and promoting invaluable local crafts and languages on national and international platforms, and as ethical civil servants shaping policy and governance with integrity, empathy, and a deep understanding of grassroots realities at the highest levels. Every single one of you, regardless of your chosen field, be it entrepreneurship, academic research, specialized teaching, or national defense, is a living, breathing, profoundly effective testament to the Eklavya model's success. Your success is not merely professional, it is existential proof of the victory of opportunity and sheer human perseverance. You navigated the challenges of a complex world, and you didn't just survive, you led, you innovated, and you elevated. You are our proudest achievement. You are the ambassadors who demonstrate to the entire country and the world the depth of talent, dignity, discipline, and sheer, unbreakable spirit that originates from this campus and from the communities it serves. Every time one of you achieves a professional milestone, earns a personal victory, or wins an accolade, the school does not just acknowledge it, the school celebrates it as its own victory. We are meticulously watching your careers, we are tracking your impact, and we are tremendously, eternally proud. The road ahead, igniting the next generation and formalizing the future. Now that you have returned, you assume a new, incredibly vital, and morally binding role, that of experienced mentors, practical guides, and tangible, accessible inspiration for our current batch of students. For our current class, you are not distant celebrities or abstract success stories published in newspapers, you are living, breathing, immediate proof of what they can become, standing right here, today. They need to hear your full, unvarnished story, not just the triumphs you post about on social media, but the honest setbacks, the moments of profound self-doubt, the difficult decisions you regretted, and the specific, actionable strategies you employed to find the resilience and the faith to overcome them. They need your practical, real-world advice on which college entrance exams matter most for specific fields, how to structure a compelling statement of purpose, how to manage personal finances in a sprawling city, mastering the nuances of a modern job interview, and simply adapting to the dramatically different pace of life after the shelter of EMRS. Your confirmation that the hard work they are pouring in now, the early mornings, the difficult projects, the necessary sacrifice of hostel life, truly pays off in tangible, fulfilling ways, is more impactful than any lecture we could ever give them. We urge you all to formalize and deepen your connection to this enduring legacy. This alumni network is far more than a social club, it is a resource for life, a powerful web of professional, academic, and personal connections that must be deliberately nourished, organized, and expanded. We are not just asking for moral support, we are asking you to strategically step up and build the infrastructure of the future. Virtual Mentorship Program. We need volunteers to offer one structured, virtual session a month to talk about your specific field, focusing on essential soft skills that are not easily taught in a curriculum, such as negotiation, networking, public speaking, and advanced digital literacy. Annual Counseling Day Commitment. We ask that you commit to speaking at our annual Counseling Day, offering specialized, hands-on breakout sessions on high-growth, emerging fields like sustainable development and climate technology, public health policy, or entrepreneurship in the cultural sector. Resource and scholarship contribution. Help us enhance our school resources and remove financial barriers to higher education. This could mean contributing to a targeted scholarship fund for higher education entrance exam fees or donating specialist books and cutting-edge supportive tools for specific needy learners. The Aclivio Circle Alumni Chapter. We are actively moving to establish a formal alumni chapter to provide structured, organizational guidance. This circle will act as an active, self-sustaining support system that offers peer-to-peer counseling, resume review, and crucial professional connections for all new outgoing students as they enter the boundless college life. Personal Connection Pledge. We challenge every alumnus in this campus to simply commit to mentoring one current student throughout the year, providing them with personalized, consistent guidance and encouragement that transcends the formal curriculum. Invest your precious time, your unique wisdom, and your invaluable, hard-earned experience back into this institution that invested so much in you. Help us keep the Aclivio torch burning brighter and more powerfully for the generations to come, ensuring that every student who leaves here is equipped not just for employment, but for excellence, ethical leadership, and dedicated, profoundly impactful service to their communities and to the nation. Thank you, from the deepest reaches of our hearts, for making this day so incredibly special, for being the extraordinary standard bearers you are, and for inspiring us all with the sheer magnitude of your collective journey. Please enjoy the day. May your night be filled with cherished memories, warm laughter, and the deepest joy of renewed friendships. Welcome home, once again.